is September 18 and bukas, birthday na ni Jomer. Okay, maingay kasi nasa baba siya. So, ngayon binabalot ko yung gift namin sa kanya ni Marvin. Yan, ito ay watch box. Tama? Parang box organizer. I mean, watch organizer.
It's your special day, time to celebrate. You're another year older, don't you hesitate. Cake and candles, presents and joy. Happy birthday to you, you're the real McCoy. Happy birthday you, for you.
Yan, nagawa na natin yung surprise. Hindi na natin siya gigisingin na 12 o'clock. So, tomorrow na lang pagising niya, yan yung matadadnan niya. So, yun lang. Kanakata tayo, baka bumaba pa. We're gonna write a letter. Look at my letter for Jomer. Kasi kamukha niya. Diba? You're my person always. Kasi we're like Grey's Anatomy beshies. So, this one's for you.
It's your special day, so let's rejoice with laughter, love, and a joyful noise. May your heart be filled with glee on this day of celebration.
Thanks,
Kala ko, nasa taas ka pa sabi ko, ano ba ito? Bababa ko na nga yung video. Ay, nag-share. That's my gift.
Yeah.
Open my gift. Now.
So, bubuksan na ni Jomer yung gift. We're having breakfast now. Time is 9:30. Tignan natin yung reaction. Matagal na siya magkaroon ng ganun. Let's watch. Hey, Pek, alam mo, Pek, nakakatawa. Yeah, kahapon.
Maloko ka.
Oh my God, gumanon ako. Oh my God. Kasi guys, gift ni Adam ganito, pero maliit. Pero naisip ko naman, okay lang, marami naman siyang magiging relo in the future.
Pero buong gato, may ano pa eh, may yung mga earrings ko, may lalagyan na ako dito na.
Kaya nalalaki lang ako, sabi ko, ay laki naman. Pero okay na, Lem. Happy birthday.
Thanks, Pek. Thanks, Marvin.
Happy
birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
How old are ka na? How old are you na, Pek? 35, 6.
36.
36
is, and feeling gorgeous. Gorgeous. Yes.
Okay, we're going to go ng mga 1 o'clock. See you. Sama kayo. Bye. We're here at the train station. Hi guys, akala namin malilate kami pero umabot kami kasi delayed yung train namin ng 7 minutes. And time check, it's 1 o'clock. Kakain muna kami pagdating doon. Then mamamasyal kami until 6 o'clock kasi doon yung dinner namin. We're gonna meet Ivy and Nicolette there to celebrate Jomer's birthday. Let's go. You're just busy.
In my comfortable room alone, enjoying this free time. In my own special space, relaxing, just being me.
We're here at the train station ng York.
Playing my favorite music, dancing to the
Kinakabit na nila
rhythm.
ang...
In my
No, it's not.
comfortable room alone, enjoying this free time. In my own special space, relaxing, just being me. Taking a sip of tea, clearing my mind with meditation. No one to disturb me. I love this moment in my comfortable room alone, enjoying this free time. just being me. Being with others is fun, but time alone is a treasure. This moment of self-reflection fills my heart with joy.
Everything here in York is beautiful. It's one of my favorite cities. Ganda. Pero mahal kasi dito. Unlike sa Boro. Laban ng mga baler. It's just around like 700, 800, depends on the number of your bedrooms or kung saan ka malapit, ganyan. Pero dito sa York, mas mahal siya. But it's nice here. It's nice to go around kapag may party or restaurants as well. Ganyan. One also thing that I really love here, dog-friendly yung area. Well, hindi lang naman siguro dito sa York, no? Kahit saan dito sa UK, dog-friendly talaga. Sobrang hilig ng mga English sa aso. Kung mahilig tayo, parang OA sila, gano'n. Parang baby talaga akong baby. We're going to our favorite Korean restaurant. It's Little Asia. Sarap dan. So let's go!
Gutom na tayo.
Oo naman. Thank you. I think naman. What did you order?
Beef bulgogi.
Beef bulgogi.
Kasi
And
ito yung
mine is...
Yung hindi lumalamig yung pan.
Mine is pork bulgogi. Is it?
Pork, yeah.
With
Pork.
Soy sauce lang.
What's your order? What's this?
this is Korean food.
What nga? Is it chicken?
Spicy chicken with rice and lettuce.
Happy birthday. We're going to try my pork Korean. Oh, diba? Sarap.
Ito ba tinto?
Pek, masarap.
The best. Among the best.
Sarap.
Sarap.
Tikman natin kung masarap.
Friends pa spice ba?
Sarap. Oh, diba? Ubus ang food namin.
Sigurado ka ba?
Buk na kumakain.
Bar back.
Cute ang strawberry. What can you say about the Korean restaurant?
11 out of 10. I love it.
He likes it. So we just finished buying things that we don't need in life. Like we just waste our money. Pero what can we do? What can we do? So papasintas lang ako. Wait. Thank you.
Tapos meron daw dito lang naka-isid lagi. Sa harap daw nila kung hindi. Dito lang. Natakot na doon.
Happy birthday, Beth!
Dapat sabi.
Happy birthday to you. Walking in the Shambo. In the middle of the Shambo.
San Pedro na kamo. Sa bayan na.
Dati sa Landahin ka lang naglalakad, girl. But you're in York now. Tapos yung York parang pasita lang na pinuntahan. Yes, let's go in. Baka may bago na sila. O, diba? I really love to buy this Belen, but
Meron tayo yun eh.
I mean the Belen with the
Chubby. Ito kasi maganda oh. Serious mode.
tsaka with the Three Kings. I want this, but it's too expensive. I think it's like 45 pounds.
Tanga ganun din yung bili natin doon sa isa. Nasa
Ganun ba?
30, 35.
Okay. We're going upstairs. Titingin pa tayo ng iba pang designs. We've been here before naman. Baka lang may bago. Ang ganda nung ano niya. Oh. Santa baby.
So pag ganyan ang Christmas,
Look at this.
pag ganito Christmas tree, pahiya ka sa pag-bake. Pero maganda.
Pero tingin in-invest na dyan din yung mga ganito.
Oo, yeah.
Tapos may ganito may create present dito kasi dito.
Ate pala, gold yung
Ang ganda ng Christmas
Ano
tree.
yung bahay mo sa ano? Nasa Alta. Hindi yung bahay.
Let's go in. What do you want? I like the pistachio cannoli. And the croissant, it's okay. This one na. So this is like the chocolate granola, whatever. Let's try. Let's try. Let you try.
yung tobol.
We'll try.
Ito, hindi sila tapit sa ingredients na.
Antamis.
Oo, di ba? Pwedeng kagat mo. Parang nahuli ka sukal eh.
No. Super delicious. So this is so nice with granola and whatsoever. Like white chocolate in the middle. Tapos granola yung paligid niya. Ang sarap. Ilan, Pek?
70%. Feeling ko susukan nyo siya.
So, what is this? What is this?
Vanilla milkshake. Milkshake ko daw?
Milkshake, yeah. Ah, we're the same, pero may cream lang yung sa akin. Super tamis. This is 80% sweetness. So, I think mas okay siya kung ito 20% yun lang. Pero kung talagang bet na bet nyo yung chocolate, the best to. Kay Jomer ay 70%. What's the flavor?
Hazelnut, something.
Hazelnut.
With
Oh.
pistachio.
Okay.
Pistachio.
Pistachio. We are going to Nicolette's house.
We're going to Nicolette Poke's house because her Poke is smells
Poking.
like patis.
Daan muna kami sa kanila kasi 5:30 pa ang dinner reservation namin. And we want to see Oakley, the dog. Hindi naman talaga si Nicolette eh. Yung dog talaga. Let's go!
Oakley.
Sexy walks lang to from Shambles. Kaya malapit lang. Uy, ba't walang tao? Hello. We're going to Nicolette's. Pwede nagiging mga sabag ko yung ano mo. Bit-bit mo para tungeng. we're here! Ay, meron siyang happy birthday, Eme! Wait lang. Wala, kinabog yung ginawa ko kaninang umaga sa bahay. Ayan na! Happy birthday! Kata tayo, Pek. 1, baching! 1. Halika dito, Nika. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Kain na. Ay, pang mayaman, Pek. Yung candle mo.
Perfect!
Diba? May pabalon pa yan sa likod.
Babaeng may perfect.
Kabong!
Picture lang, de.
Here, we're here at Nicolette's place. Dito kami madalas matulog pag nasa York kami. So, hintayin lang namin siya. Bibihis lang siya. Then, hintayin namin sa Iving dumating para sa dinner namin. Kita ko sa inyo yung pinagkakabalahan ni Nicolette. I'm gonna show, ha? I'm gonna show, Nick.
Galing, no? Tangina.
Wow! Cute!
Galing, no? Yung kay
nga.
Milo. Kung ko si Milo.
So, gawa ni Nicolette to, guys.
Yes.
If you want to order, let me know so I can have 10%.
Ang galing, no? Tangina. Tsaka malaki siya. Malaki siya.
Ganun nga, actually mas
Pinagano ko siya eh. Kasi, para hindi siya buo nung una, dahil sa picture.
Aha.
Dahil sa picture, sabi ko,
Imbentuhan mo.
Oo, imbentuhan mo. O, diba?
Galing ni girl.
This is Milo.
Girl, alam mo, kamukha na nga kita, kasing galing pa kita.
Puta. Peg, this is Milo.
Ha?
This is Milo.
I know.
This is Milo. And this is some random white man.
Ayun,
For
sure.
his birthday.
Oh,
For
yeah.
his birthday.
So you have to finish it before the 2nd of October.
Yes, it will be next week.
Yes. I've told Adam. Adam already gave me his gifts for me. The gift, you know.
Sinabi mo na.
No, hindi.
Hindi niya sinabi.
Adam gave me my gifts
Kahapon.
yesterday. Because
Grabe, very detailed.
because
Pakialaman.
we will go to Tenerife.
Oh,
He was
diba?
asking for his gift.
Tingin, Ching.
Meron akong bata na ito eh.
Ako din, meron ako niya sa
Minulog
hagdan.
hagdan.
Yeah.
No, hindi ito early talaga. Kasi parang tanga naman yun.
So, pag lumabas kayo dito sa veranda niya, you will see
Tanga, hindi ganyan talaga yung reasoning ko.
the Minster. The Minster. Ano bang Minster yun?
York.
York Minster. Ayan. So, vlog.
Umugi to sa TJ mo Duterte. Lakas ang dating, no?
Ilang taon itong mga to?
Between 20 to 25 siguro.
Hindi ko sure kung siya pala yung nakakatap live from recording na to. Hindi ka to kayo Dayanela. Kay Dayanela. Si Dayanela kanina ano yan, di ba? May ma-adlib siya eh.
Pero naman, hindi ka ba yun, hindi ka ba pilit mo totoo?
Pili ko,
Parang ganda ko dito sa salamin mo. So, we're here na sa Marzano Italian Grill. I'm gonna order carbonara and manghihingi na lang ako ng pizza. Because I cannot eat a lot of pizza. We have the pasta risotto, pizza, dessert. Titikman natin kung masarap. Ayan na, may brownies na. So, tipid. So, okay na yan. Hintayin na lang natin kung maganda ang presentation at kung masarap.
hindi masarap na yung wine.
Let's try 7. You want a bottle?
Yes.
You're going for a bottle. The price is important for you?
No, it's alright.
This is really nice. 7 is like less price.
Alright.
I don't remember this one, I can't promise, but as I know, David and the 7
Oh, he did order for
She
me.
can have the carbonara.
Carbonara.
You did not.
No, that's mine.
No, I was in a rush. Have the fruit of the marrows. Fruit of the marrow, 2.
Sparkling water.
Mine. Thank you.
And chocolate.
Yeah. Happy birthday.
Is that nice? So do you want me to pour it now or?
We'll manage.
Yeah? So do you want me to leave it?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Thank you.
Well, enjoy it.
Thank you.
Mata yung...
Is it nice, Nicolette?
Mata yung... Hindi ka na ba may mga pamay.
Uy, ang sarap.
Ang sarap.
Shell. This is for the shell, okay?
Thank you. Uy, ang sarap naman ng... Alam mo, hindi siya sobrang dami. Alam mo yon, yung enough lang. Ay, gusto ni Nicolette to.
Yes.
Hindi ka...
Hindi ako lang.
Shall I say hi?
I hide your face. Can I show? So we're gonna taste the carbonara. Ba natin kung...
Bilang yung tahong mo.
Perfect. Sarap.
Yeah.
To your birthday. Happy birthday.
Wala ko sasayaw.
Happy birthday, Chomer.
Ayaw na ayaw.
Ang sarap. Ano to? Kung ano man to.
Anong wish mo?
Sana kasal na ako.
Sana.
York at night kami. We're walking in shambles at night. We're going to Turtle Bay. We're going to Turtle Bay. Thank you, girl. Ay, may dalang ID. Best mukha kang bata. Mas?
Ganyan ako sa...
Oo, yung face mo. Oo, di ba? Sa phone meron naman. Hi! Yeah. Nakuha sa video. Dalawa talaga. Ay, G.
Kailangan ko na stress, hindi ko makita yung
Wala
platform.
kasi akong internet eh.
9 3/4 hindi pala nag-exist.
So, uwi na kami guys. Ang arte.
Tapos ano pa yun?
Uwi na kami guys kasi ano oras na. So, magbababay na kami sa vlog. Babay ka na ba? Bye ka na, Bi. Bye. We're going home. See ya.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Tito Jomer. May the God bless you. May the God bless you. May the God bless you. Happy birthday to you, Tito Jomer.
Jomar. Jomar. Again. Anong Jomar? Sino yun? Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Ano ulit?
Tito Jomer.
Tito Jomer.
Okay.